Hey YouTube, this is Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Well, today's Sunday. Another week has gone by. Didn't do any flying this weekend. We had another snowstorm. It wasn't nearly as bad as what the weather people were predicting. They were talking a blizzard. It was more like a dusting to a couple inches. It was worse than other parts, but not all that bad here. The only thing I got accomplished this weekend was a little more work on the extra 300 rehab. I got the new battery floor with the Velcro straps to hold the battery in. They wear out over time, and I've had to replace them twice, and this will now be the third time. And the one I'm using, I'll be able to replace the Velcro a whole lot easier. So let me show you what I used. Maybe that'll give you guys some ideas.
What I used for my battery floor is, some of these planes have the battery tray that slides in and out and locks into place. Well, you can buy the kit. It comes with the tray plus the rails to slide them into. And I just took one of these trays and I cut about an inch off the bottom, and then I cut the eyelet off the top, and I took a couple pieces of wood and glued it in the bottom of the plane, and then I screwed this tray directly to it. That way, in the future, when the Velcro wears out, I'll be able to slide the old Velcro out and then fish a new piece in. Let me show you how I got it in the plane here. So you can see that it makes a perfect fit. Had to do a little custom carving in the foam, but I got 2 strips of wood in there, and I epoxied it in there real good. And then I drilled a few tiny holes in this plastic tray and screwed it down, and it's in there really well. But that might give you guys an idea if you need to work on or replace your battery floor. So maybe that helps some of you guys out.
Well, maybe that idea will help some of you guys out, and give you guys an idea on what to use if you need to replace your battery floors or use this kit at all to make battery trays for multiple planes. But hey, anyways, please hit that subscribe and like and smash that bell for notifications. That'd be greatly appreciated. And until next time, you'll see me here.